Here's how to save Snapchat conversations in your phone. So on your smartphone, open the Snapchat app and go to the message window. In here, open the conversation or message. And for example, I want to save this message. So I'm just long pressing this message and here tapping on save in chat. And here we can see the specific message has been successfully saved in my conversation. So this message will not delete from my conversation. So from just like this, you can go ahead and save multiple messages, photos, snaps in your conversation. And now if you want to automatically save your messages or conversation, just go back to the message window, long press the conversation and tap on chat and notification settings. In here, tap on delete chats, and here you must need to select never. After selecting never, your all messages will save in your conversation. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.